To be or not to be? That is the question.
Only by computer could they be calculated and for the first time pictorially described.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer too.
Hello and welcome. Welcome to preventing LED cross-contamination. Continuing the series on this weird looking keypad. Number 6. Number 6. How do everyone? Hope you like the little soundboard edition. Something weird. I have another one. Right, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be adding a little thing into the chat. Welcome aboard. That'll do. Yeah, let's have a Daisy again. No, we're not. We'll leave it at that for now. Right. Okay, so what we're going to do, let's go over to this one. Okay. So, there's a few things I got a bit worried about while I was asleep. And that was that when the neopixel is lit up, it may bleed through and light this one up, or this one, or this one. So if we have 3 colours, they could all cross-contaminate. So what do we need to do is partition this a bit better. So we're going to have a look at the design again and partition this a little bit better. So let's do that now. Let's get rid of a few things. We can clear the buttons for now. Well, let's have a look at the buttons. So the LEDs are down below, the neopixels. They shine up. Once it hits this, it could shine across. So it might reflect across into this one. So what we've got to do is make sure that our steelwork fits all the way down here. I'm not quite sure, so let's turn it upside down. Let's get rid of the bottom, put the top one back in. We can move the PCB. Let's have a look. Now, maybe I made it bigger last time. And also, I'm having a bit of problem sourcing readily available 15mm aluminium. So, now 12mm aluminium seems to be more possible. Let's have a bit of background. Yeah, seems to be more possible. Okay, these hang on, buttons off. Yeah, so there's not going to be any crossbleed because we've already got that. So I think we'll probably be alright actually. So anyway, that's the end of the video. No, I'm just joking. Yeah, I'm joking. Now, another thing I wanted to do is get rid of these. I wanted a nice circle. Like a nice curve, not like these jagged Because when it mills it out, it needs to be a circle. Almost so you could twist the one over top of the other, sort of. Anyway, so what we'll have to do is remake these. I'll remake them. So that's okay there. And we don't... The problem with making this thicker, we've got 7.4 mil or millimeter to rub against with the button, but it only pushes down 0.6 of a mil. It just pushes down 0.6 of a mil. So we've got to avoid sticky keys, because all we've got at the minute is, if we turn it back around the other way, all we've got is the pressure off the button, pressure off the tactile button. All we've got is the pressure off the tactile button and push it back up. Now, and if it's going to scrape, it shouldn't do. We want a little bit of tolerance, but not a lot. Anyway, so we're going to have to make this. Now, I've had a problem trying to get hold of some material to use as a prototype. So, let's see if we can maybe reduce it to 12 mil instead of 15. So we need to lose 3 millimeter off each one. So let's have a look. That's 15 millimeter. Now we could lose it off the top. Of course, we'd have to make the buttons smaller, but that's okay. How deep are these buttons? I think we could probably lose a bit of that. So we've got 7.5 there and 2 mil there, so it's 9.5. So yeah, we could lose a bit. So I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's lose a bit of this. So let's go into this. Want some more tune? Go on then.
To be or not to be?
Right, so we're going
That
to this
is the
one,
question.
and we're going to bring it down by 3 millimeters. Okay. So what that does, we can make it out of thinner material, and we have less surface area rubbing against the aluminium. But we're still on an odd size here, so we've still got 4.5 and 2 mil. So could we make it out of? Well, I'll tell you what I've got. I've got some polycarbonate actually, some scrap polycarbonate. I could do with measuring it. So we've done that to that off the back. So let's bring back that. So that's too tall now, but we can lower it. Yeah, we need to lower it. So let's go into this. Let's turn off the bottom. Hide the PCB. Right, so we've got to... Now we don't want to lower this end. We want to lower the depth of the top. So it's not as easy as it sounds. Or it might be. Yeah, so we've got to be careful about this.
Only by computer could they be calculated and for the first time pictorially described.
So, so that has to stay the right height from this. So I've got to reduce that down, move them up, and yeah, to get rid of that thing. So I think the easiest way is to knock this down by, let's see what the difference is. It's going to be 3 mil, isn't it? 2.9. Hang on, let's come out of there a minute. Let's try to measure this. 2.9. So we're 0.1, yeah, 0.1 of a mil. That's because I had it slightly below. Well, ignore that. So anyway, so let's alright, gotta be careful. So that's got to be stay the same there. So I can move this down by how many millimeter have I got? Let's have a look. 4. So I can go into this and reduce it down by 3 mil. Okay. Then I need to grab that. Oh, gotta come out of that. That and that and that, and I'm gonna move them down by, guess what, 3 mil. 3 mil. Right, so that brings everything back to into sharp focus, is it? Yeah. So I can spin it round. It should be flush with the top again. Yes, it is. But now I need to lose 3 mil off the bottom. Ah. How did I do this last time? I had the same trouble last time, didn't I? So what I've got to do is I've got to grab the outer, the surface and the inner, and I've got to bring the whole thing down. Oh, I seem to have lost the outer. There must be more of this than meets the eye. 1, 2, 3. I think there's probably 4. Can I select the 4th one? No. So let's bring this down by 3 mil. 3 mil, and I'm going to have to do that one as well by 3 mil. Okay, we're back to there where we need to be, and nothing's lost apart from we've made it to 12 mil aluminium instead of 15. So we're okay on that one. I can do 12 mil better than I can do 15 mil aluminium, and I've probably got a bit of 12 mil polycarbonate left over. So even if we haven't got the alley, we can make it the whole thing out of polycarbonate just for trying it out. Now the problem we've got now is the whole thing is up too high by 15 mil. As you can see, the buttons aren't reaching anymore, so what we've got to do is we've got to drop the whole thing, the whole piece down, so by 3 mil, and we should now be back to where we was. Should be just touching now. There should be only a little 0.6. I can't seem to do it from there. Hang on, let's take off the bottom. Oh no, we want that. Take off the top. That's it. No, we don't want to measure it, we want to move it. Now it should have 0.6 of a mil. Yeah, we're okay. Right, so we've got our buttons, we've got our PCB. So what we want now is just to see if everything else lines up. Top and bottom, yeah, we're back again. So we've got a top section which is 12 mil. This bottom section is 10 mil, but it's got a 5 mil there. So what we need to do, we've got to lose another 3 mil off the bottom piece now. Now how am I going to do that without losing my clearance? So we know we can't alter this any. So the only thing we've got space wise is the base and the gap in the bottom. So let's get rid of the top buttons. Let's lose the top PCB. Bring back the bottom. We've got this space here. Is the only space we've got. That's 5.5 mil. So we bring the cable through here, which is around about 4.5 mil. 5 mil maximum. And that's our 5 mil for our cable. It comes out here. And then it has to solder to the PCB. Underside of the PCB. So I haven't really got, I could lose 1 mil maybe. 1 mil. So I'd lose 1 mil and I'll fix the bottom. Right, let's see how thick the bottom is. Bottom plate. So we've got 12.5 mil there. And the outside is 15 mil. So we can lose well, we can't lose 2.5 mil is the base plate. So we need to keep is 1.5 mil enough? What if that's too? If the table bed is a little bit out, it's going to be thin one side than the other. It's not going to be a lot. So I could lose 0.5 mil maybe. Well, let's do that. So let's do that then. Let's lose 0.5 mil. Alright, so come down by 0.5. Right, I've got some weirdness going on here now. What's all this? That's weird, isn't it? What's all that? Alright, so we've somehow got a weirdness going on there. We need to make this again anyway, because I want to make it round. But if we get the size right, so that'll clear up when we do the redesign. So we've now gained. We've got 6 mil now down here. Yeah, so we got 6 mil. We're still 15 mil, so we need to lose 3 millimeter. So if I lose 3 millimeter of that, I've only got 3 millimeter clearance. How will I get my 4.5 mil cable into there? Don't know. Unless they're loose, maybe they're loose cables without the sheath, maybe. Anyway, let's try to do it. So what I've got to do is I've got to lower this by 3 mil, all these shells by 3 mil. Let's do that. So let's bring that down by 3 mil. And this one by 3 mil. And the rest. And the last two. Oops. What are you doing? Stop that. Right. That's going to come down by 3 mil. And spin it round. Right, so we've got hardly any space. We've got enough. There's 3 mils plenty for the underneath of the PCB for some chips and stuff. The cable wire is going to be a bit tight, but anyway. $3 right, so that's brought that down. Now we've got to bring $3 off the top. So $3 off this, and $3 off all this. Okay, oh, we've got some craziness going on there. Well, that's okay, it's just extra stuff. This is, we're going to remake this anyway. Let's get rid of this. Oh, I thought it might do that. Undo. So let's grab it. What's it doing? What's that doing? Weird stuff. Okay. Right, let's just clean this up. Another one there. Right, some more. Some more here. Okay. Right, have we got back? So now we haven't got enough rim on it. So we need to bring this down by 3 mil now. I think that's 2 mil. Yeah. We want at least 5 mil. So we'll grab that and bring it down by 3 mil. Okay, what have we got now? Right, what we should have is reduce this to 12 mil. So we've got 7 mil there. And $5 mil there. Right, so we've got 7 mil and 5 mil. That's 12 mil. Right, so we've done that then. Right, of course it's going to got to tidy that up after. I could do that now, but let's do it now. Will it work? Let's have a look. Will I get that? Bring it down. Sort of. Yeah, I'm going to redo that anyway. Just doing it so this particular model. If I save this model, I'll leave this as it is. Right, is that a lot? No, one more. The model's not perfect, so I'm going to recreate this because
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Because I don't want the jagged bit. Ah, there's another one there, look. Don't know what that's doing. It's horrible. Oh, it's not even, can't even select it. Can I select that? Maybe. Right. There's some weirdness going on here. Right, I'm going to have to leave that. Right, leave that bit. That'll come out once I grab this line and create it all from fresh. It'll be fine. Right, save that.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer.
Okay, let's shelf. Right, so we've got a gap now, a 3mm gap. We've got to bring the whole thing down now. Oh, we could bring the bottom up. Don't know. I'll leave the bottom where it is. Tell you what, let's have a look at the axes. Alright, let's make sure. Yeah, oh, we're below the line anyway, look. So let's take the whole thing. Actually, we don't need the whole thing, I need that. Yes, we need the whole, that thing just to go up by 3mm. Alright, we're back on now. So we're back on that. Take the top shelf, no, take the bottom one off. Put the PCB back in. That and the buttons. Yeah, so we're okay there. Okay there, and let's see what space we got when. Oops, no, that was the wrong one. Right, let's see what we got now space-wise. 2mm there. Is 2mm too much? 2mm. I don't go any. I could probably go 1.5mm, but and then we've got a. No, that's not right, is it? No. .1 3.1mm of clearance. That's gonna have to do. Right, let's just check with them. Right. Let's have a look. Yeah, so let's get it out with 3D. So we're back to there, and we've got a working thing, and we're on 12mm aluminium now instead of. So at the minute, this cap fits over top of the backing. It fits over the top. Now, if it was the other way around, yeah, because that's got to keep out the water, you see. If that's up like that on the wall, and the water's raining in on it. Actually, let's go side view. Can we go side view? No. I can, but I have to do it manually. It's hard to turn this round side view. I can't get it though. It wants to stay in that orientation. It's difficult. Alright, it's difficult. I can't do it. Anyway, so basically when the rain is down here, if that was rebaited on the lid, and the water could go in here, whereas at the minute it's got to go there, and it'll drip round it and down. There's going to be a rubber seal in there anyway. Oh yeah, probably got these are too long now, aren't they? Yeah, so we only want to go 5mm, so I'll have to adjust them. Right, we need to knock these back a bit. 11mm. Let's drop these up. Oops. Back 3mm. Oh, 6mm, isn't it? Because we took 3mm off both sides. So that should be something like 5mm. Yeah. Okay, so we're back to our proportions. But that line is not centre. So it doesn't matter. I mean, that could be like the base mount. But it would be better if that was thinner. I think. Let me have a look. Take it off. Right, that'll have to go with the buttons off as well. That'll be part of the button, so you'll see this bit on the wall. Right. Just this bit on the wall.
To be or not to be? That is the
I'm getting thirsty
question.
now. That's better. Excuse me. Alright, okay. So we got that. And yeah, so we can still do it, and then 12mm. Now, is there any way to make this different? No, there isn't. Now, so you've got our 5mm there and our 7mm. I can't alter this, no, because this actually holds the buttons in place. All these shoulders hold the buttons. They stop the button, but it makes the button bottom out onto here after only slightly pressing the tactile button 0.6 of a mil. Stops them crushing the button. Might have to alter this slightly, I don't know yet, but hopefully it'll be fine. I've got a button on the desk here and it literally only moves it, doesn't even move the mill. So that should be about right. Okay, so we've got plastic here, 2mm and 4.5. We've still got a bit of a discrepancy here because I've got right, so we've got 2mm and 4.5, so 6.5mm. It's not going to be 6.5mm probably, it's going to be something else. I want to go and have a look at what material I've got for that. Go and measure it. Tell you what, hold on a second and I'll go and grab some. So let's give you something to work back in a second. Right, we're back. We're back. It's right, I've got the stuff. Let's, I can just get the tape measure, not the tape measure, the ruler. Let's just go on to this one a minute. So I've got scraps of polycarbonate left. I'll have to make it out of this for now instead of alley. Hopefully this is 12mm. Hopefully. It's not. What is it? Oh, it might be. Is it? No, I don't know. It's got one of those weird tapes. It's got those microfine. Why does it do that? Oh, I got a less microfine. Better here. Hang on, what we got there? Okay, we go back to calipers. We go to calipers then. Trouble is, my caliper hasn't got a battery in it. The batteries keep going. So I can use it manually still. So let's just use it manually. Right, so it's about there. What have we got? 11. No, it looks like 11 mil. 11 mil, so we're going to lose another 1 mil. I suppose I could lose another 1 mil. Right, so that's 11 mil. And we need 60 mil. We need enough to make a round circle of 60 mil. Yeah, so that piece there will do 1, and I've got a similar piece on another offcut. So that'll probably do. Yeah, so that'll do the 1. Now, what about the buttons? I've got this stuff. This stuff was given to me. It was about to be thrown in the dustbin actually. I think these were leftovers from the dreaded. I ain't going to say it, but yeah. So what we got here? Looks like 6 mil, but let's have a look on the calipers. What we got here? It's hard to do without the battery in. 5. It's 6 mil, isn't it? Okay, we'll say it's 6 mil. So we can alter our buttons for these 6 mil. As long as if I've got the right size, I can at least make one out of polycarbonate. It's probably accurate enough to do the test. It's hard enough, so yeah. So polycarbonate. So we've got 6 mil polycarbonate. Let's just measure that then. So we've got 4.5 and 2 mil. So we need to lose 0.5 mil. Right, where are we going to lose 0.5 mil from? Okay, so that bottom has to stay where it is. What thickness have we got here? 4.5 mil. So it's not a lot to lose. So we just got to lose. Okay. So we put the top on. We're 0.1 of a mil lower. So we didn't want it flush, and can't lower that because then it'll ruin all the countersunk. But I can lower it from the other side. Right, so I can lower it from the other side. Yeah, I can do that. So let's do that. Let's lower it by what? 0.5 mil? .5. Okay, so what's that leave us on here? 0.9, so 1 mil. Well, that's only the bottom of the countersunk hole, so we've still got. Yeah, we still. What happened there? Yeah, we're still okay there. That's okay. Still okay there. Right. Oh, you're not even looking at what I'm saying. Sorry. Right, anyway, so what I've done is I've lowered this by 0.5 of a mil, which means I'm 0.5 of a mil. Yeah, and I've got to do the same to the edge of it. But that's the overall size. Hang on. I've got to keep that to 15 mil. No, 12 mil. That's got to stay the right size. So we've lowered that, which means I've got to bring that back again. So I'll select that whole thing and bring it back up by 0.5 of a mil. 0.5, so that brings it to there. So there we're okay again here. Yeah. The only thing is we've moved that up, so it's going to be encroaching on the bottom shell. It's going to be encroached, so they're sticking out that far now. Why is that? Hang on, what have I done? Have I not moved them yet? Oops, wrong one. So what have I got here? I've got 2 mil, and I've got 4.5, so that's why, because I haven't loaded them yet. So we've got 6 mil. Let's bring that down by God, what was I say it was? 0.5 of a mil. So now it should be flush again. Yeah, flush again now. So that's the 6 mil polycarbonate I've got. I've got plenty of that. This will be the 12 mil aluminium, which is going to be 12 mil polycarbonate, but I think it's 11 mil. So I need to lose another mil. But the aluminium will be 12 mil. How can I see that? I need to get a new battery, so yeah, it's, if I say it's about 11.5 mil. Yeah, it's about 11.5 mil, so I'd be out on my thickness by half a mil, which is okay. Instead of having a 2 mil base, I would have a 3 mil base.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Okay, so that's okay. So let's bring the bottom in. Now the bottom, I'm overlapping a bit here, so what I've got to do is, I don't want to mill that. Although it might be beneficial to mill it. Or not. We'll leave it as it is. We want to do less milling if we can help it. So we'll leave that as it is. What have I got here? 8.1 mil depth. A PCB. Take the top off. Right, what we got here? Have we got the right gap? Yeah, we're still okay on that. That's good. So we're okay there. So that's our top shelf. Let's get the PCB out of the way a minute. Right, let's put the bottom on. So the bottom's slightly something weird going on. Right, what have we got here? 5 mil, and then we've got 7 mil down here. Okay, and our material thickness is going to vary by half a mil. If it's aluminium, it'll be 12 mil. If it's polycarbonate, it'll be 11.5 mil. So we're going to lose. We'll have a thin on the polycarbonate. It'll be quite thin. 1 mil, 1.5 mil. This should be alright for a prototype. So I've lost something somewhere, haven't I? What have I lost? Is that my gap there? Is that the gap? Just gonna make sure that is 0.6 of a mil. It won't show me like that, will it? Let's leave the bottom off. Oh, where's the button? Oh, that is a button. No, that's the PCB. What am I doing? Hang on. I got lost now. Lost where we got to. Anyway. So bottom, bottom. I don't know.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Right, we get there. Yeah, so we've got an overlap. And it depends on where we want to get rid of the overlap. So that's overlapping by 0.5 mil. I don't really want to mill the top one because I'm already milling the bottom one. So I might as well move the bottom one down by 0.5 mil. Yeah, might as well. Right, okay, let's do that then. .5 mil. Right. So we've got a 5.5 mil rebate. Drop back, whatever they call it. This bit here should only be 0.6 of a mil. No, that's 0.6 of a mil. So what? Something's gone wrong here, right? Don't know what's gone wrong, but something's gone wrong. So what we got here? 0.6 of a mil. That's fine. Just looks weird. Okay. So now we should have back yeah, everything is hunky-dory. Maybe this is this still okay? 5.5 mil. So we can lose 0.5 mil on that. Right, so we get somewhere like now, yeah, 5 mil. Okay. Right, so that's going to drill and tap into 5 mil steel. So we're okay there. We've reduced the overall size. Let's get rid of those. They're annoying. Right, so the overall thickness is 18.5 mil. So 18.5 mil. Let's have a look on the ruler. So the overall thickness is, yeah. Okay, so there's less stuff to mill out. Right, so that tells me the inside's not right now. So I don't know why. Let's turn it round. I'll probably need an X-ray mode for this. To make sure I'm. Well, have I got two lots of lines there? Oh, that's the rim there. Something not right here. Hang on. Oh yeah, that's my clearance. That's my stop. Yeah, it looks okay. It's all good, isn't it? Now this well doesn't look right here. Why does it look still like I've got a lot of gap there? Right, let's measure the gap. 2 mil. So I've got 2 mil. That's if I'm using 12 mil aluminium. I'll be using 11 mil polycarbonate. I think it's 11 point something, 11.5, 11.2. So just over 1 mil should be enough for a prototype. Yeah, so it should be alright. Right, so all we've got to do now is redraw all this without the jagged. We've got to redraw each shell piece without this. So I could start by doing surface view. I'll go to that view and we'll bring it up to there. Save. Now we'll put another one alongside it. We'll leave this as it is. So I want a round one. I don't want a sided circle. It needs to be round, so that when it's milling it, it can just go round and round and round without going dirt, 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 that kind of stuff. Yeah, you might hear a few pops and whistles and bleeps and different things. Right.
Only by computer could they be calculated, and for the first time, pictorially described.
Turn everything off. Right, that's it, isn't it? Yeah. So what we've got to do now, we've got to copy this here. So we've got certain sizes. It's not easy to copy, especially when that is. You're gonna have to redo this. So this is where it gets a bit awkward. So we know what we've got. Let's do that. Let's start from somewhere. So let's do a measurement. So we know that's 60 mil. So we've got 80 mil. So let's just say 80 mil. No, that wasn't 80 mil. 80 mil. Then we want to go another 80 mil. And we want to do 80 mil again. That just cordons it up for us. So I need to do a circle now. Now if I do a circle, it draws a circle from center. If I do a circle, and if I say it's going to be 30 mil, now we've still got a jagged one because it's done a radius of 30 down here. Well, it's doing it in steps of 30. So we don't really want that. So what can we do? Let's see if there's another way of doing it. So I know this tool here. What can I do? So if I say, if I go over to over 40 mil, that will be there. And if I say 80 mil, so 20 mil and 20 mil. No, something happened there, didn't it? What's that? That's 20, so maybe I pressed the wrong key. Press 10 instead of 20. Right, 20 mil, yeah. So if then I go with one of these from there to there and then go off on a tangent, half circle. That doesn't look like right, does it? No. Must have been 10 mil. Got my maths wrong. Right.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
10 mil there. I could probably just do a circle and add more radius points. But I think this way it just does. Oh no, it's still doing it. Still doing a jagged circle. So why can't I have a proper circle? That's not going to work for me, is it? Right, so okay, get rid of them out of the way. Let's go on this, and I did change it anyway. So it says 24, and I think it was 22 as default. So let's... I did say 30 earlier. Right, let's do a little bit of research. Bit of research.
No, you.
Right, need to do some research. Here's the research. Right, SketchUp. SketchUp, how to make a perfect, there's no such thing as a perfect circle, not with digital, but circle. See what it says. A smooth circle surface. How do you make a perfect circle in SketchUp? By default, SketchUp creates a circle with 24 sides, which may not be smooth enough for your needs. To increase the number of sides, type in a higher number before you create the circle. For example, type in 48 will create a circle with 48, resulting in a much smoother appearance. Yeah, but how many sides? Right, okay, we'll just go with that idea then. I thought they were going to tell me. We don't need that one. Oh, we do. We'll keep that one. And I'll put one in at 40. Right, let's say, and I'll just put 20, so 48. And I want to go, it's 60 mil, so 30 mil diameter. Right, is that better? Is that okay for G code? Still got a step in it. Does it matter? I don't know if it matters. It might matter. Let's undo it. Let's do another one at 96, if it'll let me. Oh, it's just done one at size 96. Hang on. Sides 96. Oh no, won't let me do one. Radius 96. Nah, what's it doing? So you go like that. Oh, hang on. So I click on it, then I put 96, and then I draw the circle at 30 mil. Right. Why is it saying radius 30? Oh, it's alright, the status is changing from sides to radius. Okay, so that looks better, doesn't it? Yeah. So why doesn't it just default to that in the first place? Right, okay, that's better. So we'll keep that like that. Save it. Right. So we've got that. Now we need a... What size is that from there to there? No, that's not right. What you doing? What are you showing me that for? What's it doing that? Hang on, I'm gonna have to look at this in 3D. So it's 2. I'm sure it's 2 mil, but just check. 2 mil. So I need to come out here in 2 mil. So I need to go either that one. 2 mil. That's alright. That's okay. So we've got that line, we've got that line. It's pretty, you can't just edit that and change it.
To be or not to be? That is the question.
Right. Okay, so we've got that, and we're going to put those fixings in. There's 3 holes. And there are these things here. And that. So, do I... It's only the outer edge. Yeah, we need to make that into an arc. Then I'll have to alter the PCB and everything then. That's going to be a problem. Right. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what we can do. Measure that as well. 2 mil again. So what we'll do is we'll go again. Another 2 mil. Okay, so we've got another 2 mil there. Oops. Right. And yeah, so we've got the 3 sizes. Now we need to come out and go like that. I wonder if I can grab these and just put them in. Might be able to. Can I grab them? No, I can't grab them. Can if I do that? What about if I grab like that? Can I do that? Don't know. Let's have a look. So I've grabbed the whole thing, haven't I? Does it matter? It does really. It's got a lot of curves I don't want. So I just want the line. Right, okay. I'll have to grab it individually. Like that. Like that. No, that's not going to work. Okay. Shame. Okay, what can I grab then? Can I grab that? Yeah, I can grab that. That and that. Is there anything else worth grabbing? No, it's not worth grabbing, is it? Okay. Oops. Right. So I copy it and then paste. And it's got to go somewhere. I can't put it on yet because it'll stick to it. And I've got to work out the distance from there to there. Oh, it's not going to show me because it's showing me cutting through. Yeah, that's a problem. Hang on, how do I measure that now? It's 3D. I might be able to do it like that, might I? No. I need to get to both sides of it. Okay, 3D then it is. Sorry, X-ray mode. So I need to go from there all the way to... Is it there? No, that's not right, is it? Let's go that way. There to... Where is it? It's not there. Let's try again. So from there to... No. No, it's not showing me. Okay, let's try a different way. From that point to there. 11.99. Could be. Could be. So I did draw it manually. Well, let's say 12. let's say 12, so we'll measure down from there 12 mil. We'll grab this by the middle and put it over there like that. Okay, and let's draw a line from here. Now let's draw a line from there across to, where hasn't it gone? Yeah, close enough. Okay, let's do that's the same what we want, so we'll do the same again. Copy, and we'll paste it. Let's leave it there a minute. Draw another line, 12 mil. Draw another line, 12 mil. Another line, 12 mil. And we'll grab this, we'll flip it. No, that wasn't it. Flip along green, that'll do. Grab it by the middle, put it over here. Alright, and paste another one. We need to rotate it by something like that. Grab it by the middle and put it over here. Paste, copy and paste, and then flip it. Flip it, flip along. Right axis, that's it. And grab it, put it down here, and that's it. Oh, we've got a line there. I don't know why we've got a line instead of a. Right. Oh. Let's get rid of the markers. Okay. So we've got where our shelf would start at the bottom. What do we need next? The actual shelf. So what we could do with that. Copy. Paste. So grab it again. It's got to go somewhere like this. No, I flipped it by mistake. Right, hang on, where you going? Is that about it? Don't know. Let's try that. Yeah, might be okay. What I should do really is, tell you what I'll do, I'll move it. Oh, that's screwed. No, it is okay, so it's skewed it. Right, okay, so we've got that. Now we need the same again all the way around, so can either grab it again. Yeah, I think we should just grab it again. Let's get rid of these. Shit. That means I've got to measure it all out again. Oh my god. Okay, so 12 mil. $12 mil. 12 mil. If I'm going to do that, I might as well do that as well, hadn't I? Yeah, I might as well do that as well. Right, so let's just do the rest of it. What's it look like over here? We want a nice curve up until that point there, don't we? So any kind of curve will be better than no curve. Right, let's just put a curve in. Is that alright? Yeah, I think that was alright. Yeah, that's better than... Okay, I'll go with that. I'll go with that. So let's... Yeah, I like that. Right, what do we want? Some of them. Hook up that,
No,
that, and that, and that. No, not that. Copy it. Paste. And we'll just rotate it, shall we? No, that's the wrong one. So I've got that. I'll grab it, put it down here, and we'll paste, rotate it like that, move it over here, paste, rotate it like that, grab it, put it there, that's it. Okay, so that's the short way of doing it. The quicker way of doing it. But it ensures we're all symmetrical. Oh, I didn't have one there. Right, save that. So we've got our outline apart from our middle and apart from our holes. So what we can do next is get rid of this and that and that, and this is a nice model now with hardly any faults. Keep saving it. Right, now we've got to put these holes in the same place. So I can measure it from there to the center of the hole. No, it's not doing it for me, is it? Tell you what I can do, turn it upside down. Are we in 3D? We're in 3D. Right, so let's just get the center of this hole and measure from there, 5mm. So, and then the diameter is 4mm. So we could just do just come in 5mm. Let's just come in 5mm. Where's the tape? 5mm. 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 5mm.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer too.
I want that, grab that. 2mm. Number of segments is too large. Right, okay. Whatever. Okay, so we've got our holes. Let's get... Oh, we want rid of our lines. Get rid of them. Right, so we got rid of them. So it's the middle bit next. Right, let's just make sure we haven't gone wild. Let's measure from there to there. 38.36. 37.98. Right, not sure about that. Anyway, I got to go to the toilet, so here we go. Alright. Oh well.
To be or not to be?
Right,
That
so
is
I've
the
got that
question.
smoothed out. This bit now looks like an element, a light tube element. So we want the circle. Do we want to take the whole thing? No, we don't. So, is there anything about this we don't like? Why does that look thicker than that there? 1 mil. 7 mil. One mil, just looks it. Okay, so we want that over here now. Or do we? Yeah, we need that. We need the tripod to put the button on. Yeah, so the buttons need to sit on it. Does it need to sit on so much? Probably not, but anyway, keeps it square. So, okay. Yeah, we have to have a bit of meat left on it. What we got here? 2 mil. Yeah, I need to keep the 2 mil on it. It's got to mill it out. I wouldn't let it go any thinner than 2 mil. Oh no, it's thinner than that. Sorry, my mistake. Yeah, the lid is actually much thicker. 6 mil. Yeah, so it's okay. You probably could go thinner, but I mean, I'm not going to mess with that now. Yeah, not going to mess with that now. Right. So, what have I done here? Buttons off. So I need this bit again. So I can grab it. Can I grab the whole thing? Can I grab that outline? I can grab the outline, maybe. Oh, something not quite right there. Right, so, okay. So what I'll do, I'll grab that, and that, and that, and that. Not that one though, and that. Yeah. So I'll grab that, and then do I want this one as well? That's probably the top one. So I'll grab that, copy. Now, have I grabbed? Yeah, I've grabbed different stuff here. Yeah, I've totally grabbed the wrong stuff, haven't I? Right. So let's not grab any of that. Let's grab it slowly. Let's 1, 2. What are you doing? Right. 3. 4. Not grabbing that. Go back round again. We're gonna grab that. And that. And that, and that. And that's it. So grab that, so I'm going to copy that. And we're going to paste it. Paste. So we've got something like, so I'm going to put it there, temporary. Alright, and then we're going to
Only by computer could they be calculated, and for the first time, pictorially described.
And then join that up. And then we want a arch between there and there. Is arch going to do it? Maybe. Right, let's just measure from there. 2.75. What have I got here? Oh, it won't do it, why not? Yeah, okay, it's probably right. So we've got that, and we need another arch this way. From there to there. Oops, it won't let me have it. Why not? Won't let me do that. Let's try again. Can I press the arrows? No. Oh. That's stupid, isn't it? Okay, I'll put that in a bit. So we need to grab that by the centre. How can we do that? Like that. Put that down there. Okay. And just like that. Now we need the hole there. So we can either grab... Oh, that's not an arch. Okay, let's try and do it this way. Yeah, I want that. Stop flipping. What are you doing? Okay, it's not letting me have it, so what if I go this way? Oh, it's disappearing on me. Right, it's evil sometimes, isn't it? Why is it all like that? So why won't you let me have it? You're all on the same plane. Why have I got a line right there? Go away.
Oh, you.
So, okay, I'll try this way. I don't know what difference this will make, but... Oh, dear. Come on, you can do it. Why don't you go that way? No. I clicked it, nothing's happened, so undo... No, that's okay. So it won't... okay, I'll play silly buggers then. Right, copy. Paste. Alright, and then we'll flip it. Why won't it let me flip that? What's going on? Why won't it let me flip it? Where's the flip gone? It's gone. Right, it won't let me flip it. I can rotate it. Oh dear, what a weird program. Anyway, things you have to do, eh? Right, so we've got it in the end. So we've got the same representation of that in a smoother form without all the hiccups. Let's just go like that. Right. Yeah, so we've got rid of the jagged bits. Now, does our PCB still fit on it? Right, so we're going to copy the PCB. paste. I suppose we better grab it from center here. Has it got a center? Not really. Won't let me grab it with it. Why not? Come on. Okay, maybe that's it. Right, let's take it over here. See if it's sitting on the shelf. I made a big mistake then, didn't I? No, I didn't. I'm okay because that's still a component. This one's not. These are separate lines. Anyway, could always undo. Right, so it looks weird because it's flush with it. Now, is it sitting on the shelf with a little bit of a gap? It is, isn't it? Let's have a look. Yeah. So we might we be alright? Yeah. Okay, let's hide the PCB. Right, let's extrude this then. Let's extrude this. Right. We've got a flat piece. Okay, let's make a component. Let's stick it onto the bottom clamshell layer. So we got that and it goes off, that's it. Right, so we know we should be able to get nice and smooth now. I think we can get rid of that line there and that one there. And we need to get the sizes now, so go back into perspective. This sort of angle. Now, we know the floor is 2 millimeters. Problem is now it's gonna. If I try to bring that up 2 millimeters, let's try it. If I bring that up 2 millimeters, it's going to be hollow underneath. Yeah. Can't win. So we don't want to do that. Okay, let's undo. If I bring, well, we could bring the whole thing up. We know it's 12 mil. So if we bring that up 12 mil, are we hollow underneath? Yes, we are. We don't want to be hollow. In fact, we want that the other way around. Or do we? Alright, so what happens if I was to bring that up by the amount? 6.5 mil. 6.5 mil. Are we hollow? Yeah. Oh no, we're not hollow, we're solid, but we're hollow there. So presumably if I was to do something like take that away, is this where it all goes wrong? If I take that away, oh, put it back. No, it doesn't do anything. Right, so yeah, I think we have to we have to do. Yeah, it's more complicated than it looks. Can I not? How can I put the shit? How can I put the thing back? Oh, it's all hollow there as well. Oh, yeah, it's just not good, is it? Hang on, so undo, undo. Right, so it's back again. Undo. Alright, so let's treat this a different way. How are we going to do this? Oh, I know. What about if we bring everything up the same time? Yeah. Yeah, let's do everything at the same time. So we'll bring everything up 14 mil. So we'll grab that, 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 that. I'll tell you what, let's bring the whole lot up for 12 mil, sorry. We'll sort the holes out after. Right, so bring the whole thing up. Oh, you can't. You can only select. Can I select the whole thing? No. It takes it off. Alright, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Stuck.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Stuck at 12:30 in the morning. Stuck. How do I preserve this? I thought I knew how to do this, but it's okay if you do a circle, it's easy. But when they're all... I'll tell you what I'll have to do is cut the pieces off and paste them on slowly in sections. Right, I'll do that then. Right, so let's grab what we can. Let's grab everything apart from that one. Cut it and right, undo. Grab everything apart from that and the surface. Well, leave that one. Alright, let's try that. So if we cut it, yeah, and we paste it over here for a minute. Paste it there. Then we get this to go to 12 mil. So 12 mil. Right, that's just steel thickness. Then we got to go out of there. Then the next one we'll have to do is the rim here. Can we do more than that? Right, so that is the same. Now we want that, don't we? So copy, paste. I need to grab it from the center, put it in the center here. Right. Then I need to lower it by 5.5 mil. So let's grab. Oh. Tell you what to do. Hang on, grab that, cut it, paste it in place, lower it by 5.5 mil. 5. Let's try again. It went weird. 5.5. Okay. Let's measure that. Oops. 6.5. Yeah, we're all right so far. Come out of that. Now grab the next bit. So that's all one. So I'll grab that. Oh no, I've done that bit. The next is to grab that. That. No, I want all that. Do I want it all now? Can I do it all now? Yeah, apart from that one. We don't want that one. So we're going to copy it. No, we don't want... We want all of it, but we don't want the outer, and we don't want the material. Right, let's change it and let's grab. Right, I want everything but that. We don't want the material, the surface. Want that. Don't want that. We want that. We don't want that. We don't want that. We don't want that or that. Right, have we got everything we want now? We have, haven't we? Alright.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer to.
We're going to paste. We need to grab it by the middle. Like that. And put it into the middle of this. Just like that. Right, so what have we got now? Solid block still, yeah. So we're able to, that's it, we're okay. So now we need to, the bottom piece is 2mm thick, we said. So I need to grab that. Without that, no. That's not part of the model. Is this part of the model? Yeah. That's not quite integrated there, so what we need to do, I'll try it, but it probably won't like. No, it's done it. Okay, so just make sure everything else is done. Yeah, it's done it. Yeah, it's done. Right, so now we've got to right, push that down to, it's 12, push it down to 10mm. That's better. Right, so we pushed it down 10mm. We've got a nice clean, we've got rid of all these horrible lines here. We've still got some more to do. So yeah, let's go back into it. And we can push these down there, all the way. All the way. All the way, and all the way. This one, all the way. Right, what have we got? Let's have a look. Something happened. That didn't go all the way, did it? Why didn't that go all the way? Okay, so that's looking okay still. Yeah, looking okay. Liking that. Ah, there's still some more to do yet. These shoulders. Right, let's find out how deep they're supposed to be. Can't remember. 3mm. So we need to push them down 9mm. Oh, that looks too much. So we've got 12mm. Why doesn't that look right? 1mm? No, that's not. Oh, I forgot about the bottom here. So undo that. 7 mil. Alright. Alright, so down 7 mil. Up 7 mil. No, not up 7 mil. Down 7 mil. 7 mil. 7 mil. 7 mil. Right. Okay. So have we got our nice ready to mill? Yeah, we have. Alright, got rid of the horrible one and we got a nice smooth one. Right, so that's good. Let's just have a look at the comparison. Okay, I should be able to put PCB. Oh, PCBs. Why is it all the way down there? But the PCB is no good anymore. Oh, that's the PCB. Right, so we don't need this no more. Do we? No, I don't think we do. That can go now. Right, the PCB is not right. So we need to make a new PCB now, basically. So let's hide the PCB a minute. It's never ending, this. Never ending.
Only by computer could they be calculated and for the first time pictorially described.
What I need is a big massive container of cold water with my lemon juice. I just keep pouring it here without having to go away every few minutes. Oh my god. Anyway, there's no profit in making this thing at all. I mean, there's nothing in it. There's so much stuff available on Amazon and Banggood, AliExpress. It's totally taken every bit of creativity out of it. There's no reason to make anything. You couldn't make a profit on it. There's no way you can make this and sell it and make any money. So I don't even know why I'm doing it, but I'm just doing it because I want to make one. I'm not happy with some of the stuff you can buy. Yeah, it'll cost an absolute fortune to make it. So why am I doing it? I don't know. I ain't got a clue. Ain't got a clue. Right. Okay. Oh, I've missed the shoulder on that. Why have we missed the shoulder on that? Right, let's undo layers, undo erase. Oh. Did I not do the shoulder? Missed the shoulder on that. What have I missed? Let's hide the PCB a minute. Right, what have I done wrong here? Oh, so I took the outer bit and I've not took the inner bit. That's why. Right, now I've got to get this bit here. I've got to get this bit here, all these bits. That'll do, I don't need that bit. Right, so we copy that. Come out of that. Go into that. Paste. Right, what am I going to do with this? Oh yeah, it's got to go on top, hasn't it? I'll put it there. I need to bring it up. Move it up by at least, I don't know, say 9 mil. Right, I seem to have crashed there for some reason. Was it just the drive spinning up? Give it a chance to catch up. It does this sometimes. Sometimes if you wait, it will actually catch up with itself. Not dying of thirst now. Oh, it's closed on me. It's crashed. Right, let's start it up again. Hopefully it'll find it again. No, it didn't find it again, did it? Right, let's try it. Auto say, yeah. Right, okay, so didn't lose too much. Didn't lose too much. Certain things, see, watched it crash then. Yeah, we've seen it crash. We watched it crash in real life. Why won't it grab that? What's the matter with that? Oh. I still won't grab it. Right, is it going to crash again? Probably not. So I need to go up, set 9 mil. That's it. That's all I wanted to do last time. Right, so I need to bring this over somehow. Don't know if I can grab the middle of it. No, so I'm gonna have to grab. Oh, actually, I can grab it there and put it somewhere like. Is that about right? It doesn't look too bad, does it? Surely I didn't guesstimate that the right height. I did, didn't I? Right, okay, fair enough. Right, so we've got that there. I need to draw the line here to there. And then one from there to there. Okay, so what have we got now? That's getting a bit monotonous. So we've got our shoulder, which is good. And we're on the components, yeah. So I should be able to bring that down. I think it was 7 mil, wasn't it? So I should be able to go into here and bring that down by 7 mil. Hooray! We've got it back again. So with that, so now I can get rid of that. Let's just bring the PCB. Let's bring the PCB up to the right level. Not sure. I'll just bring it up like that and we'll lower it down in a minute. It won't be quite right anyway. Right, so yeah, we've got to change all that, but that's going to be for tomorrow because I've actually had enough for today. Let's just get rid of that. Have a look at it. Just bring it like that. That's it. That's the next thumbnail. Save. Okay. Save as. Is it saved in the right place? Yeah. Okay, so we're saved. Right. Okay, I've had enough now. Right, so we're back on here. Have a few beeps on the way out. That's going to be it. So I've got a day job to go to in the morning. So I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Ta-ra.